Hi, this video will show you how to draw rectangles in Autodesk AutoCAD 2017. You could go to rectangle over here or simply type in REC and enter. Now specify the first corner. You could choose that in random or based on the coordinate system. Let's say I want to choose 10, 15, then enter. Now specify the other point. So let's say the other point over here on the X would be 20, then comma 5, and enter. So this is a very simple rectangle that I could do. I could do also a square, same thing. I could click over here, click at any place. Over here, I could type in 10, 10, enter. I could go to the rectangle as well. I could, let's say, click over here, click on A for area, enter. Enter area of rectangle in current units. Let's say I want to enter the area of 200, enter. Now calculate rectangle dimension based on, let's choose length. What is the length? Let's say 20, and that's it. So what actually happens is that we chose the area, we chose the length, and it calculated the width according to both area over length. So you've got different function. You could use whichever one is more suitable to the situation.